Christmastide. What we call Christmas of today hardly began with Jesus. Thousands of years it conveys of the diverse traditions. The pagan ritual to Saturn, otherwise Saturnalia, marked end of winter when the sun began its south trajectory. Partying, banqueting, gift spree, 7 days of festivities, just a convenient mix of glee to spirit away by new Christians. Romans and Vikings, medieval folk, Crusaders and souls of Renaissance, Tudors and Stuarts, Victorian lot, all since shaped feet and its essence. Feeding the poor, baking cakes, knitting the socks, crocheting, preparing special handmade perks were usual Christmas necessities. Rise of commerce, riff-raff merchandise, marketed since the summer, stimulate sales of the huckstered bulk alongside essential jumpers.